So Saturday, January 2nd, Bitcoin closed the month super strong, no weeks with rejections. As we can see here, we closed New Year's Eve super bullish. We didn't have like a week like this. It's basically something like this. Of course, now we can come in this month to test some support or pushing higher and then test support, who knows. On the monthly, finally, it's starting to roll. As we can see, the RSI. But we can do something like this, push down a little bit and move up again, or just move up from here, who knows. So for now, the month closed super bullish, although we are already in overbought territory. So sooner or later we will have a correction. We don't know when. At least with this candle, doesn't seem like it's the top yet. So let's see. So this is the monthly, and now with the extensions, we reached the 1.4 extension, and the next targets, if we keep on going up, it's on the 39, around 39 here, or on the monthly we still have this trend line here, and we can reach maybe 50k, who knows. But I guess we will have a correction. Maybe we come to test the support or this trend line, who knows, or even down, and then let's see if we have enough strength to keep on pushing higher. For now it's bullish, still green, and let's see. So this is the month. And of course the big supports are these moving averages, but it's already what I said in the previous, the whole time high, this week here, this one which is very strong, the 14k, and then of course the 12k, 11.7 to 12. And if we lose this area in the 21, we can have weeks to the 7.8, 7.5k, which is this monthly support, this candle here, which weren't tested, which is also super viable to happen with big volatility, but who knows. So this is the main areas for now on the monthly. The weekly already reaching super overbought territory, as we can see. So I think we are about to correct. Even if we go to the 30k, 33k, I think we will come to test on the weekly the whole time high, or here the 21 MA, which is aligned with this support here from this candle, the top and the bottom, and then we have the bottom, of course, on the 12k, 14, the same areas basically. Tiga pulsa? Okay. Okay. Ah, okay, okay. I'll send you everything. Okay. Okay, so we have the 200s here, which is aligned with the monthly dead candle, which is this area, the 7.7, 7.5. So we can have big volatility down, who knows, but this is the strong support, which is the monthly, and this needs to hold to be the base. And yeah, but for now we have also all the areas above, so it's area by area, and then reassess when we start to come down, just see where the candles close, the weekly and the dailies, to see if it's aligned with the moving averages. So for now, remember that 200 have been holding since 18, and yeah, so that's it. All the moving averages are supports. You just wait until the candles close, the weekly candle above, and then reassess. As we can see, RSI extremely overbought, stochastic extremely overbought. So we are about to correct, but I think we will still go to the 30 to 33k, and then let's see the volatility we start. We are already in big volatility, big parabolic moves up, and sooner or later we will start to see the correction. Okay, so daily. So this is where we are. We have been holding the 21 since the 11.5, 12K, so got really parabolic, and we will need to correct. So on the daily, all the moving averages now are starting on the 12.6, which is aligned more or less with this top here. Of course, this area wasn't tested as support, and this one here also wasn't tested, the 10.8 or 10.9, these 11.7, 11.6, which are super important to hold, and I think we will have a week to these areas sooner or later. Even if we bounce from the other ones, we will come here, I think. Anyway, price action will, and the market will detect what will happen. Okay, we still can have another push up in these indicators, because as we can see in the past, we can reach a higher level, which is here. We are almost there, but not yet. So if I push it a bit, we are reaching there. So it's a matter of patience. It's almost coming down, and then reassess. And now with the trend lines, as we can see, we have all these trend lines coming from the past. Maybe more easy to understand on the weekly. Yeah, this is easy to understand. So they are starting here. This one is starting here with there. And this one is this top with that top, going a bit higher, but we have all these, and this one that also comes from the past, from this support and this top. We are all reaching that point now, which I think might be the top, but who knows. So as we can see, we are on this extension, and we are about to reach the 30 to 33K, and these trend lines are aligned here. And if we got the monthly or the weekly closing above these trend lines, we can still push to the 40K, 39K, or even to this trend line on the 42K. So, but I think we will correct at least here on these trend lines, but let's see what we do. I think so, even if we have a week up, but then we will have to come down to test the supports. Just be patient. And yeah, so this is now the 1 hour. We are already closing above and testing this support on the extension to try to push higher. As we can see, this extension we manage. First rejected, suddenly we managed to move up. We got the retest here, and now we already